Welcome to our Volanté Insights Introduction to Reporting module. Our Volanté Insights provides you additional information related to your item level sales, media reports, end-of-day reports, and more. Generally, you'll be accessing your Volanté Insights reporting by logging in through the Volanté Cloud. From here, depending on your specific setup, you may have two ways of accessing the reports. The first way is if you're using the Volanté Enterprise or VE system, and at which point you'll be selecting the reporting module, which will bring you into our Volanté Insights reporting. Alternatively, when you log into the Volanté Cloud, you may actually be brought straight into the reports area without the additional screens. So from here, we'll be taking a look at how the Volanté Insights module works. Let's begin. When you first load into the reporting area, you'll be brought into a dashboard. A dashboard is made up of several different reports showing in graph or table format. The report types that we see within our dashboard are predetermined based on the saved dashboard's settings. In future videos, we'll be taking a look at how we can build our own custom dashboard space. The dashboard I'm currently showing is called At a Glance. I can see this up in the top left-hand side of my screen, and using the drop-down arrow gives me a list of all available dashboards to me in my space. I can also see the current date and time, where my close day is set to February 20th. If I'd like to change my day, I can simply click on the date field and choose to edit this filter. Touching on the date provides me options for today, yesterday, last N period, which gives me options for minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, quarters, or years. Or I can set a custom date range on the calendar. I'll go ahead and leave our date as it is for now. Over to the far right-hand side, I have the option of setting additional filtering and options. My three dots allow me to view sharing options, scheduling reporting, exporting, my history, or to delete dashboards. Let's take a look at some of the data within one of my reports. I'll take a look at my top 20 items by sales graph. I can hover over individual pieces of my graph to get a bit more data if I like. I can also choose the 3-line to print my chart, download it as a graphic format like a PNG or JPG, or to download it as a PDF document. I've also got the option to further analyze my data, which brings me into my data transformation window. From here, I can see figures and data listed about my item. I can also choose visualization, which tells me my information is being shown in a pie graph. I can change my visualization to other types as well. Let's switch over to donut. I'll go ahead and close out of this window by hitting the X. My settings were not saved. I was only working in visualization for that particular period of time. I have the option of setting an alert or adjusting the filtering to do with this specific report. The three dots provide me more settings where I can analyze my data, refresh, or maximize out my window. When I choose maximize, I see my chart in a full screen view. Touching on the three dots again will allow me to minimize back into my dashboard view. On the far left-hand side, I can also choose the dashboard option to show me a list of all available dashboards. And as we further explore dashboards in another video, we'll take a look at widgets and how we can integrate custom widgets into our dashboard.